An Earth Patterns text set by Justin Ball
and Lizette Barajas. Our digital text set focuses on Earth patterns, cycles, and changes. The SOL is 5.7. The student will investigate and understand how Earth's surface is constantly changing.
To introduce the concept of Earth patterns, cycles, and changes, we will read the book A Rock is Lively by Diana Hutz Aston. Poetic in voice and elegant in design, this book introduces an array of facts, giving us a perfect way to hook students into the world of rocks.
Kenya's Art by Linda Trice is a great story about making positive impacts to our planet. Kenya finds inspiration in using her old broken toys and other items to make art with her family. Now she's prepared to teach her whole class how to recycle, reuse, and make art. This book can help students understand the different sides of the debate for human impacts and demonstrate an understanding of what is going on in the local environment. Also, it can help students show competence in ways to positively impact the local Earth surface.
Our next book is The Magic School Bus Inside the Earth by Joanna Cole and Bruce Deegan. When the class forgets to do its homework, a field trip through the Earth's crust into the center of the Earth and out through a volcano will teach them not to forget their assignments again, and then some. This book can help students show confidence of the global implications of natural changes versus forced changes.
Our next book is Rocks, A Resource Our World Depends On by Ian Graham. How old are the oldest rocks? What are meteorites? How do we get metal from rocks? Children can read this book to find the answers to these questions and more. Each book in the Managing Our Resources series examines the valuable natural resource, explaining where the resource is found, how it is extracted and processed, what it is used to make, and how the resource can be used sustainably.
Nuclear Waste, Our Planet in Peril by Kate Scarborough is another nonfiction story that explains what nuclear energy is, how it is produced, and its importance to the world. It also describes the issues and concerns of how to deal with the radioactive nuclear waste products, which can demonstrate an understanding of the ways humans impact the Earth's surface.
Planet Ark, Preserving Earth's Biodiversity by Adrienne Mason is a great story that helps young readers learn how to be modern-day Noahs and protect the world's plants and animals from extinction, not by building a giant boat, but by making small changes in their everyday lives to help preserve the world's biodiversity. This story can help students demonstrate an understanding of what is going on in the local environment and show competence in ways to positively impact the local Earth's surface.
Rivers of Fire, The Story of Volcanoes, a National Geographic book by Monica Halpern, gives us a close look at the beauty and destructive power of volcanoes and how scientists study them. This book is a great way to help students show confidence in the global implications of natural changes versus forced changes.
Rocks, Hard, Soft, Smooth, and Rough by Natalie M. Rosinski gives more insight on different types of rocks. This book dives into rocks as minerals and how you can even find fossils in some types of rocks. Complete with activities and experiments, this nonfiction science book is perfect for introducing children to geology.
Dinosaur Bones by Bob Barner has a lively rhyming text and vibrant paper collage illustrations. The author-artist Bob Barner shakes the dust off the dinosaur bones found in museums and reminds us that they once belonged to living, breathing creatures. This book is great to help students understand the different ways that the Earth's surface is constantly changing and that there are ways to figure out how old our Earth truly is.
Our last book is entitled Cracking Up, A Story About Erosion by Jackie Bailey. It describes the process of erosion and how water, ice, wind, and sun wear away at the Earth's surface. This book can help students demonstrate an understanding of the different ways that the Earth's surface is constantly changing and show competence of the global implications of natural changes versus forced changes.